Hello and welcome to our video presentation of this 2017 BMW 4 Series 435D M Sport xDrive Auto here at Desirable Car in Colville. This car is a 3-litre diesel and is finished in Estoril Blue Metallic with ivory white Dakota leather interior. This car is VAT qualifying. It was registered the 31st of October 2017 and has 2 owners from new. It has travelled 16,465 miles so far and comes with a full BMW service history. It was last serviced the 5th of July 2019 at 8,731 miles, with its next service due the 5th of July 2021 or at 27,500 miles, whichever comes first. The MOT expiry date is the 23rd of August 2021. It is ULEZ exempt and has a Euro 6 engine. We hope you found this video informative. For further information, please give us a call at the end. Thank you. Thank you for taking the time to view our video presentation. If you'd like to discuss this car further, please give us a call on 0116 269 6000. Thank you.